And now, jump ball between Dorte and Pabalinas. Tap to Dorte, pass to Dorte to Gamboa. Gamboa now on the G-ball, now to Divino. Divino now, looking for receiver, pass to Dorte. Dorte off the glass, no good, got the ball by Pabalinas. Pabalinas now, pass to Carrera. Carrera now, pass to Corpus to Carrera and fires, no good, got the ball by Dorte. Dorte now to Gamboa. Gamboa now, pass to Divino. Divino by Carrera. Lays the basket, 2 points. Carrera now in body, pass to David. David now is in dribble and cross the midcourt. Now looking for receiver, pass to Corpus, back to David. David now to Carrera. 10-second shot clock. Carrera now, pass to. Nawalang bola, got the ball by Divino. Divino now, pass to Gamboa. Gamboa to Dorte. Dorte now, the basket, but there's the whistle. Foul, and there's